Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome to Bob's Bottom Shelf. What we do here is show you how to make quality cocktails at home using affordable ingredients from what I like to call the top of the bottom shelf. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tropical cocktail, the Midori Colada. This is similar to the Pina Colada and the Blue Hawaiian, and it's also similar to the Blue Milk of Tatooine, a cocktail I made earlier, and you can click that video in the corner if you haven't seen that video yet. And what makes our cocktail green is the Midori Liqueur, of course. This is a Japanese melon liqueur, and it's rather inexpensive for this half size here. It's about $12. You could also find the Mr. Boston or the DeKuyper brand of melon liqueur for about probably $12 a bottle. And the main liquor in our cocktail is the white rum. So let's go ahead and get started by adding 1 ounce of our white rum here. 2 ounces of Midori Melon Liqueur, 2 ounces of coconut cream. Made a mess. Let's just clean up that mess a little bit. That was a little unexpected. 4 ounces of pineapple juice. And half an ounce of lime juice. Let's pour out our Midori Colada. And I don't normally do this, but let's go ahead and put a little umbrella on here. Alright folks, Midori Colada. Cheers! Well, it's certainly similar to the regular Pina Colada. That's what it tastes like at first. You get the pineapple and the coconut, and then the Midori melon flavor kicks in a little bit afterwards. And it's not a very strong cocktail because there's only 1 ounce of rum in it, and the Midori, it's not a very strong alcohol by volume liqueur. So if you like Pina Coladas, go ahead and give the Midori Colada a try. It's pretty good. Well folks, that's going to do it for our tropical Midori Colada today. Let me know in the comments if you like Pina Coladas or if you've ever tried Midori before. And subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money using top of the bottom shelf ingredients. See you in the next episode.